would like to show you how to edit a document in MindExpress 5. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add a message box to a page. The message box is used to display the message you are composing. Press F2 or go to Edit View via Menu and Edit. If necessary, add a row for the message box. You can do this by clicking on any cell where you want to add a row. Then click on Page in the Edit box on the right. Now under the Row option, select Add Above. Select the cell that you want to change into a message box. If you want a large message box, enlarge the cell by clicking and dragging on one of the dots on the border of the cell. Now click on Cell and Add Action to fill the cell with an action. Choose Message Box. Now you can see some grey cells and a white cell with a grey border. Grey cells all perform an action. For example, Read Content will read out the entire contents of the message box when selected. The white cell with a grey border denotes a type of cell content. In this case, it's message box, which is used to display the message that you're composing. If you're unsure what an action does or what a cell type displays, you can always read the short explanation at the bottom of the dialog box. Depending on the chosen action or cell content, you can always personalize it. In the case of the message box, for example, you can choose to show just text, just symbols, or both. If you want a cell to delete the contents of the message box, then select your cell, go to Message Box, and choose the action Clear Content. The Clear Content cell is automatically filled with a symbol and a label. The message box cell remains empty but has a green symbol in the top left corner to denote a type of cell content. In the panel on the right, you can also clearly see a difference. Clear Content action is shown in the list of actions. As for the message box cell, you can see a green box at the top of the editing panel describing the cell content type.
I want a dog.
You have now seen the fifth part of editing in MindExpress 5. You can now add a message box to your page set.